Attention all you fake-ass people, narcissistic assholes, backstabbing traitors, and users. Listen up. I've got a message for you, and it's not pretty. Your endless bullshit. Taking my kindness for weakness, used me, and stabbed me in the back whenever it's due. Well, fuck that.
Not on my way
and fuck you, too. I'm not gonna you continue to see through the trail and shove them straight up your ass. I'm done with your toxic garbage, your fake-ass smiles, and your self-serving games. So here's my final message to all of you worthless pieces of shit.
What's that?
I'm done with all your fucking bullshit, and you can kiss my fucking ass.
Yo!